For years, GoPro has been the go-to name in action cameras. With the GoPro Max, the brand is pushing the boundaries even further by offering a 3-in-1 model, a 360 degrees camera, an action cam, and a vlogging camera. This model promises impressive stabilization, enhanced audio recording, and a simplified user experience thanks to internal image processing. Designed for adventurers, vloggers, and immersive capture enthusiasts, it offers a flexibility that makes it unique in the market. But are its performances up to expectations? The answer is coming right up, and if you want to know more, the link is in the description. Visually, the GoPro Max carries the DNA of previous models with a compact and rugged design. It's slightly bulkier than the Hero 8 Black, but it still has a rubberized coating and a shock-resistant build. A big plus is that it extends up to 5 meters without the need for a box. Its design, built for extreme conditions, makes it an ideal companion for outdoor sports and adventures. Another nice new feature is that the camera has a color touchscreen on the front, which makes framing shots in vlog mode a lot easier. The folding attachment is directly integrated, thus avoiding the use of an additional accessory. A detail that makes a difference and enhances portability. The whole setup is designed to provide an intuitive grip, whether you're a beginner or an experienced user. The GoPro Max is equipped with 2 ultra-wide-angle sensors that can record in 5.6K at 30 frames per second in 360 degrees mode. Thanks to its internal video stitching capability, it allows you to capture immersive footage without the need for complicated post-processing. The Hero mode, which allows you to shoot with a single lens, is limited to 1440p or 1080p at 60 frames per second with no 4K option, which could be a drawback for some users. On the other hand, it offers a SuperView Max field of view, which is even wider than on the Hero 8 Black, making it perfect for capturing landscapes or dynamic sports scenes. In terms of sound, the Mac integrates 6 microphones to capture an immersive 360 degrees audio stream with noise and wind reduction. It's also capable of live streaming in 1080p, making it a great choice for real-time streaming and vlogs. Another interesting feature is the Power Pano mode, which allows you to capture 270 degrees panoramas in a single shot. This avoids the distortion often encountered with traditional panoramas. One of the big advantages of the GoPro Max is how easy it is to use. Unlike the GoPro Fusion, which required specific software to stitch videos together, the Max does this operation internally. No more spending hours in post-production. The GoPro Quik app lets you manage videos and crop 360-degree shots with intuitive tools to zoom, track a subject, or change the angle after recording. This feature is especially useful for content creators who want to quickly edit their videos before publishing them. In terms of ergonomics, the Time Warp 2.0 mode allows you to create smooth, stabilized, time-lapse videos and functionality. Power Pano captures 270 degrees panoramas in a single click without distortion. Horizon Lock mode, on the other hand, ensures perfect stabilization even when the camera is tilted sharply. The only downside is that the PC interface is pretty limited, especially on Windows, where it only serves to export files. To fully take advantage of the Max, it's better to use the mobile app or editing software like Premiere Pro with the GoPro plugin. Compared to its big sister, the GoPro Max Fusion is a real improvement. It is more compact, simpler to use, and its internal stitching avoids tedious manipulations on the computer. The addition of foldable mounts and a touchscreen makes it much more ergonomic. Compared to its competitors, like the Insta360 One X2, the Max delivers better image quality and more immersive sound. But it's a bit less versatile when it comes to advanced features, like bullet time or some automated effects. However, it makes up for that with better durability and superior build quality. In action cam mode, it doesn't compete with the Hero 8 or Hero 9 Black. No 4K, no slow motion at 120 or 240 frames per second. If you're looking for a camera that can do it all, with top-notch stabilization and quality sound, the Max has 2 serious arguments. For extreme sports enthusiasts or vloggers, it remains a viable option. So, should you go for the GoPro Max? If you're looking for a simple-to-use 360 degrees camera with excellent stabilization, quality sound, and a versatile vlog action cam, this is a great choice. It remains a benchmark in the market and a great compromise for those looking to explore immersive capture without the hassle. On the other hand, if your priority is classic high-definition video with a wide range of frame rates, it's better to go for a GoPro Hero 10 or 11 Black. These models offer higher resolutions and better support for slow motion. Its main strength is still its ease of use, whether for professional content or travel memories. It allows you to capture stunning images without needing advanced video editing skills. And what about you? Does the GoPro Max interest you? The link to learn more is in the description. Feel free to leave a comment to share your thoughts, like the video, and of course, subscribe as usual. Thank you for having us. See you soon. Bye-bye.